Hello! Today we're going to be making restaurant style salsa. Let's get right into it. We're going to start by cutting 5 Roma tomatoes in half and laying them skin side up on our sheet tray. After that, get 2 to 4 jalapeños, cut off the stem and slice them in half long ways. Then you can remove the seeds and pith if you want a more mild salsa, or leave them in if you want it a little bit hotter. The seeds and pith are packed with capsaicin. I'm going to remove it from the first jalapeno and leave them in the second. Next, we're going to prep our onion. Cut off both the root and the stem ends. Cut the onion in half, pole to pole. Then set one piece aside. We only need half an onion for this recipe. Peel off the papery layer. Then cut your onion into quarters. And add it to the sheet tray. After that, we're going to prep 4 cloves of garlic. I cut off the root end and peel off the papery layer. Make sure to put your garlic somewhere it's not going to scorch under the broiler. I usually put mine up against the onions. Next, we're going to set our broiler to high and put our baking sheet on the top rack. Set yourself a timer for 2 minutes to start and then check on it every minute after that. Broiling our vegetables gives our salsa a nice smoky flavor. This process goes quickly, so don't go too far. It should take about 5 minutes or less. And this is about what we're looking for. Some charred skin on the tomatoes and peppers and some light browning on the garlic. Get out a blender and add everything from your sheet tray. I put most of the charred tomato skin in there, but you can leave some behind if you want it a little less smoky. Then we're going to add the liquids from a 28-ounce can of Petite diced tomatoes and pulse the blender until everything is incorporated. After that, add your herbs. You could use cilantro or parsley here. If you're using parsley, just remember that the stems have a more intense flavor than the leaves. Next, give it a good squeeze of lime juice. And give it a few pulses to break down the herbs. After that, add the rest of your canned tomatoes and a strong pinch of salt. Give it a few hits to finish. And give it a taste to see if it's got enough salt and lime juice. Then add it to whatever you're serving it in. And that's it. Only one thing left to do. Enjoy. If you enjoy my content and want to help support the channel, you can donate to my Ko-fi page. Every little bit helps and it goes a long way in allowing me to create more content. Thank you for your support. The link is in the description.